New and trending for 2024. Today I have the best spring shoes, all from Walmart. We have a whole range in here, all from like cute little sandals, casual sandals, a little bit dressier, sneakers, casual sneakers. I cannot wait to jump through all of these with you guys. And like always, everything will be listed down below in the description box in order that you've seen them in today's video, as well as pinned as the top comment down in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and let's talk some shoes. What would a good spring shoe try on haul be without a classic espadrille? I love these, under $23. This shoe style is gonna be a go-to, and I love it because it's just a great way to kind of switch up your traditional sneaker if that's not what you're looking for. Love throwing these on with a dress or white shorts for the summertime. They'll carry you all through spring and summer. I went with my true to size 9. They fit, they're so comfortable, and if they get a little muddy or something spills on them, you can just take like a wet rag and clean it, since it is a canvas material. But it does come in 2 other color options, adjustable laces here. It'll just be a go-to. There's a lot of espadrille shoes out there. You can grab these for $23. Run. I foresee these selling out really quickly. If you love these Sambas that have been a top selling shoe right now, well over $100, you can grab these look for less from Walmart for under $20. And you guys, you cannot beat the comfort. They actually have a memory foam padding in here, which makes them so incredibly comfortable. I love the low sole that this has. It also has padding around the tongue area. They are a must-have white sneaker that you will get so much use out of, available in sizes 6 through 11, as well as whole and half sizing. I went with my true to size 9 and they fit perfectly. So great to wear with all of your favorite casual looks, whether it's leggings, flare leggings, or denim jeans. These are a must-have. So many good shoes just launched at Walmart. If you like the Nike Air, you can grab a great look for less for under $23 from Walmart. You guys, I am obsessed with these. They are so comfortable. They come in sizes 6 through 11. They come in whole and half sizing. Now they are available in a few color options. I loved this pink and black combo, but they do have other color options to check out. I mean, I'm actually shook by how similar these look to the Nike Air. They have a little bit of a platform to them, but they're easy to walk in, and they do have a comfort sole. So you can walk in these for a long period of time and your feet will not be bothered. Easy to clean. They feature a nice lace up that you can kind of customize to fit your foot. And the visible air window here leaves comfort for every single time you walk. I'm telling you guys, these are a must-have. Let's talk about how stunning these wedge sandals are. So they're very comfortable, but these are a sandal that I would reach for if I'm looking for a little bit of a dressier look, perfect for date night, a trip you have coming up, warm weather vacation, comfortable bands that do not irritate my feet. And if you grab this cream, it'll go with everything. But one of my favorite textures in shoes for the spring and summer is to just add that little bit of espadrille style in there. And these are absolutely stunning. And they are a slight platform, as you can see, so it'll give you a little bit of height, but they are very easy to walk in. I've tried other platform styles like this that I just like could not walk in. I love a little rhinestone moment just to kind of dress up a look a little bit. These are under $13 from Walmart by the Time and True brand. They come in 2 other color options. I decided to go with the cream because obviously you guys know I'm a neutrals girl, but it's timeless. It can go with everything. All summer long, you can style this with dresses, with shorts, and the little bit of the rhinestone detail is going to add that little bit of extra something. The straps are comfortable. It does have that memory foam padding. Now it is a very flat sandal, which makes it comfortable to walk in. I did size up to the 9.5, and I love the fit on this one. So fits comfortably on your feet. The brown and the cream combo, they just go with everything. And that little bit of silver accent is very trending for 2024. That's like a popular color for shoes, so you can just have a little bit of a spin on that. I know sometimes it can be kind of difficult to wear a silver shoe, so just add in some of those rhinestones. Got so excited when I saw these new strappy sandals as a new arrival to Walmart. So this particular shoe kind of combines comfort with chic, classy look. So it is a faux leather material, has that memory foam padding, and it's a slip-on style. So it's kind of has a stretchy back here. 1-inch heel, under $20, and they're so comfortable. Again, this shoe style, I went with the cream, but it does come in 2 other color options. And I really like the square toe on this one. It switches up your looks a little bit. Again, a really versatile sandal that really will go with everything except maybe athletic wear. But with that little 1-inch heel, it's very comfortable to walk in. And I just find myself grabbing these because they just go with everything, but they're like a little bit dressier than just a typical, flip-flop or sandal. As far as sizing, I went with size 9 and they fit perfectly. They do have a no slip grip on the bottom too, which I these days really don't gravitate towards sandals that don't have that no slip grip, because if it's raining outside or whatever, it's so easy to slip with them. A stunning shoe option that's going to easily just kind of switch up your wardrobe this spring and summer season are these woven mules. So they do have a 2 3/4 inch block heel, but again, they have that super comfortable memory foam padding that Walmart has. They're so incredibly comfortable to walk in. And even the woven fabric up here, it does not bother my feet. I feel like it's a really stunning shoe that you can kind of dress the casual dress up with. You can wear this with jeans, you can wear this casual or for the work environment, so it's very versatile. And it's under $18, comes in this gorgeous cream color as well as a black option. It does run true to size. However, if you're kind of in between two sizes, I would suggest sizing up one size just so your foot doesn't kind of sit on the edge back here. Love the almond toe on this. I think it's so flattering, and just kind of with this faux leather material here, it's just super versatile. So you'll just be reaching for this on repeat this spring. Top trend for 2024 is silver. They're seeing silver everywhere on the runway, and I have 2 stunning shoe options that you can style this trend with. First of all, we're going to go with a flat sandal. So love the strappy detail on this one. So beautiful. This will definitely go with a pair of shorts all the way to a dress. This sandal does run true to size. I got my true to size 9. And surprisingly, sandals, the straps do not irritate my feet, so it's easy to walk in. And I love this silver trend. I feel like it kind of switches things up a little bit. You could also opt for a mule heel. This one gives me all of the designer looks, feels for a very affordable price. I love the square toe. I love the strap design here. Very flattering on your feet, a comfortable heel. Now, as far as this one, if you're in between sizes, I would suggest sizing up 1/2 size in this. If you are not into the silver trend, both of these silver shoes do come in other color options that you can check out as well, but they're very comfortable, a great workwear option or date night, evening out, anything like that. And I just couldn't get enough of the pink Nike Look for Less. I actually got them in a cream color as well. Such a nice sneaker. You cannot beat the comfort. I feel like this cream would go with literally everything in your closet, and it's great to wear casual or for working out. We have got to talk about these sneakers. I have been wearing these and they're such a really great look for less. Come in more color options. This cream is going to go with everything. I've styled it with a blue athletic set. It's just one option, but you guys, this goes with white jeans. This goes with straight style jeans. Really versatile, runs true to size. And like I said, a really great look for less option for a really popular shoe brand right now. And what's so great about them is how comfortable the edges are here. So you can wear these for an extended amount of time and you just cannot beat this price. Really comfortable, cute, on-trend style. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more from Walmart, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Lots of really great Walmart try-on hauls, videos coming your way that you don't want to miss. I hope to see you all next time.